So let's talk about the proper grip on your squeegee. Now, beginners almost always grab a squeegee handle and put their finger right there in that dimple. And they do that because they feel like creating the proper pressure comes from your index finger. That's actually not the case. This technique puts a lot of strain on your joints on your index finger. It's going to wear you out a lot faster, and you just don't have the strength in your fingers that you have in your wrist and in your forearm. So a superior grip is like this. We're just going to pinch the squeegee right here with our index finger and our thumb and get a nice firm grip. We're going to wrap our fingers around the back side of the handle. We're going to let the handle really cradle itself into the palm of our hand. This gives us a really good, firm, strong grip, but it's also an athletic position for our wrist. It gives us a lot of range of motion, freedom of movement, and that's really what you want, because a skilled window cleaner realizes it's all in the wrists. So we want to use our wrist and our forearm to create the pressure on the glass, not pushing down with our index finger. So pinch, wrap your fingers around, cradle the handle down in the palm of your hand. That's a firm, athletic grip that's suitable both for straight pulls and for fanning.